Hello and thank you for watching. This is George at Wicked Mornings here with a brand new GMC with a real pretty Denali grill. On the front of this truck we have our Thin-X TIR series in amber. Our LIN series would also fit if you wanted an amber and white dual color, or if you simply wanted the LIN lens, you can use that as well. Here you can see how we flush mounted those right to the front of the grill there. We've got them in all amber pattern, and I did not sync this because I wanted the pattern to kind of vary between alternation and together, which it does. They phase between flashing together and then alternating here. As you can see, the pattern just skipped. Now it's back to alternating. It will phase back into flashing together and then skip back to alternating. This keeps the eye moving and keeps a little bit of movement on the front of the truck. Out back of this truck, we've got 3 sets of our LED HAW Duo. We've got our amber low dome facing straight rearward in the step pocket. You can also face sideways in the step pocket, or both ways if you wanted to put 2 sets down there. Some of my other videos will show the side fire as well as the dual setup on the steps. We've got our HD version in the cargo and the reverse, and we've also added a flood mode on this as well. Let me move the camera just a bit so you can see the mirrors in this. As you can see, that flood mode picks up the reverse, the cargo, as well as the white in the mirrors, giving you an awful lot of added light to the rear of the truck. Let me demonstrate that for you. Turn this camera around and show you how it lights the shop up. Okay, so here you can see we've darkened up the shop a little bit to illustrate just how much power the flood mode is giving you. As you can see, not an issue at all lighting up the entire shop, as well as your driveway, worksite, trailer, or that random person who might be tailgating you on the highway. Wake them up with the Wicked Warnings flood mode. Let me show you once more the backlighting. In the rear, we went ahead and X-patterned our reverse against our bumper steps, and I went with a ping-pong fast rotation back and forth on the third brake light, just to add a little bit of movement. Customer gave me some creativity freedom here, which is what I love when they let me pick the style and how I want it to do. So this is what we came up with. Hopefully he likes it. If you like it and you want to purchase this kit, check the video description for a link to purchase this exact kit. I'm going to put something together with all the wiring and switches and products, everything you need to do this. We went ahead and used our standard 3/4 mount flush switch right on the dashboard, just like all my other videos show. So thanks again for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings. Be sure to check out all of our social media feeds, our Facebook, our YouTube, our Instagram. Subscribe to our newsletter on our website. Make sure you do that because you will get a coupon for that. And everybody have a great day. And thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings.